Hi everyone.
Hello.
Today is the 10th day, one of the big days of the Yamakasa Festival. Here they come. 1,000 kilos. Wow, tsurai. Yeah. The ones that don't move. Closed up. O疲れ様。ね、これ汗か雨か水かね。こんにちは。山笠好きでしょ？大好き。もちろん。1 minute to 5 o'clock, we will be doing a live stream on that day, of course, but also tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Wow.
お水がありますよ。
Wow. Wow. まだある。
みんなすごいよ。
真剣。
持って走ってるよ。暑い。
可愛い。
この子たちがまた将来みんな連れて行くのよ。
They'll be carrying the float in a couple of years, and they're number one. They will take off from Kushida Shrine, Oiyama, in the pole position, number one position. So they're really psyched up for this year.
Yeah.
入った。すごい入った。Wow. I feel like we participated in, and we're going to do more Yamakasa live stream tomorrow morning, 4:30 in the morning.